Dotnet Report Builder is a powerful and feature-filled ad hoc reporting solution that developers can easily embed into their web applications. In this video, we'll look at the new exciting feature we've added in version 4.0 of Dotnet Report, the ability to create links inside reports. For a detailed description of all of the updates in version 4.0, as well as detailed installation and how-to guides, please visit our website at www.dotnetreport.com and navigate to our knowledge base. From our homepage, you can also sign up for a free demo version of .NET Report to test with your own application, as well as schedule a demo with one of our sales representatives to learn more. We've recently updated the website with new updates to our knowledge base that goes in depth into many of the new features that we have added to our solution, including how to embed our solution into Angular apps, how to configure roles and permissions in multi-tenant applications, and many more. We've also added customer success case studies to our website from 4 of our customers and are working with others to create more case studies. These case studies offer a glimpse into how our customers have successfully embedded .NET Report into their applications seamlessly with customized UIs to match the look and feel of their applications. All of our customers save time, money, and valuable development resources by embedding our reporting solution, allowing them to use their development resources to chase high-value initiatives. Our customers continue to trust us to deliver these new features and to keep delivering value in today's dynamic business environment. With that in mind, let's take a detailed look at this new exciting feature of linked reports. So before we go into the demo, let's take a moment to discuss what linked reports are. Linked reports allow developers to create links in reports generated by .NET Report. These links can navigate to other reports or to a custom website or feature in the application that is not part of .NET Report. It is a powerful feature that significantly increases the flexibility of the reporting solution and creates a seamless transition between 2 or more reports or from a report to another part of the overall application. We've also added a smart filtering feature to the link function so that users can pass a filter as part of the link. Let's take a look at a demo to see this new feature in action. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and enter the live demo portion of our website and start up the report builder application. And I'll start with a report that's already been built. So we'll go into the sales report section and pick up this sales report demo. And I'll run it, and you'll be able to see that right now this report is a summary report which has ship date, customer name, average price, and quantity. If I drill down, I can also see what the customer has purchased. So with linked reports, the idea here is that I can now create a link to a customer name to be able to get different details or go into a different report. So in order to do that, I'll hit the Edit Report button and scroll down to where I have my data for my report. And you'll see that in the data for report section, you have a little link icon against each of the fields. So if I wanted to look at a customer detailed data, I can click Link Report here, and you'll see that you get 2 options. The first option is to add a URL so that you can enter a different part of your website. Maybe there is another database where customer data is being stored, or it needs to pull you to a different CRM application or anything like that. The other option would be to hit the report button, which would then link you to a different report. So we can then say, well, let's link to a customer list report. And that customer list report may have more detailed data about the customer, their location, their other information, how much have they ordered over the years, etc. And then, as we said, we can also send a filter to the report as well. So we can say, well, let's filter by the customer name or contact name. So now, instead of when you click on the customer list report, instead of seeing all the customers, we'll be able to pinpoint that specific customer who we're clicking on. So now I'll save these changes and then save and run report. Now you'll see that all the customer names have a hyperlink on them. So if I click, for example, on John Steele, It will open up my customer list report. It'll filter to John Steele, and now I can get other details about John Steele from this report. As we saw in today's demo, the link report feature creates a brand new way for end users to interact with reports and helps them get meaningful information from reports really quickly. This feature also seamlessly integrates into the end user interface, which means that end users are empowered to create their own links as they see fit. And this reduces the time that developers need to spend creating these links and hard coding these features into the software. To learn more about this and other exciting features of .NET Report, please go to our homepage and schedule a demo with us. We'll be glad to give you a full demo and discuss with you how we can help you with your business intelligence and reporting needs. Thank you.